For the 11th generation, the Civic Hatchback offers two engine choices for the first time, and both will be available with a 6-speed manual transmission. RX and Sport class feature a natural aspirated 2.0-liter 4-cylinder producing 158 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 138 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 revolutions per minute. It's coupled with the revised CVT that enhances fuel efficiency through a use of more robust electric hydraulic pump that reduces the load on mechanical pump and ball bearing secondary shaft to reduce friction. The CVT also has been programmed to provide early downshifts during braking and features revised step shift programming that stimulates physical gear changes under the hard acceleration for a more familiar and enjoyable driving experience. Fuel efficiency and emissions are notably improved due in part to new standard idle stop system CVT early and new catalytic converter design. Powering the EX, L and Sport Touring teams is a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 180 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 177 pound-feet of torque at 1,700 to 4,500 revolutions per minute on 87-octane gasoline. Multiple measures contribute to improve fuel economy ratings, including new, more efficient turbo pumping and additional variable timing and lift electronic control VTEC to exhaust fans. The CVT for the 1.5-liter turbo features improved torque converter performance while also adopting revised step shift programming. A new 6-speed manual transmission is available in Sport and Sport Touring grades. The transmission has been revised for an even sportier feel, with improved shift rigidity and shorter shift throws. The new dual-mass flywheel has reduced noise and vibration transmitted through the drivetrain.
I hope you could find something interesting when watching the video. Thanks again for watching.